Hello friends, hope you are doing very well. Today I am back with another amazing dessert. Let's prepare some fresh fruits ice cream. Nowadays, Chiku is easily available, so I opted it to make the ice cream. Make sure to watch the full video. The ingredients to make the ice cream are 1 cup of Amul fresh cream, half cup of fresh Chiku pulp. I have taken it in a bowl. Yummy. You can either use a spatula or a spoon to properly take the ingredients out of the bowl. Then you will need 1/4 cup of Amulya milk powder. And at the last you will need 1/4 cup to half cup of condensed milk. Yeah, the sweet one. This is the condensed milk. Now you need to take the mixture towards the machine. Make sure to seal it properly.
Pause.
Now you need to churn the ingredients in a mixture. First, you need to place your hand on top of this. Let me see if it's done. Yes, it's done. Be careful while placing it on the table. Open the lid. Place it aside. Then you will need an airtight container. Gently pour the liquid in. Now close the container and place it in the freezer for 2 hours. Then again you take it out of the freezer. Then you need to churn the ice cream again to make it more smooth. Then you need to again place it in the freezer for 2 hours to enjoy your ice cream. Relish your ice cream and make sure to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. See you next time. Bye bye.
24 hours later.
Now let's check if the ice cream is ready or not. Can you please bring the ice cream?
Yeah, sure.
Here is the airtight container. You have to be careful while taking out. I am using a scooper, you can either use a spoon. I took a big scoop.
The ice cream looks really yummy.
Can you feel the flavors?
Yes. Thank you, Hamid, for the amazing dessert.
You're welcome. If you have enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe and share the video. And don't forget to press the bell icon. See you the next time. Bye bye.